Welcome to all. In the last lecture, we have started the solution of the Schwarzschild interior solution, and we derived the value of e to the power minus a, that is equals to 1 minus r square upon capital R square. Now we have to find the value of capital B. Thus, to find capital B, we consider the equation, that is we derive from the Tmn semicolon n, Tmn semicolon m equals to 0. That is, from this equation we derive some equation which is given by, that is we have derived from this that p dash is equals to, so we determine the value of b from this equation. Okay, so p dash is equals to minus half p plus rho into b dash implies, what this implies, that we can write this equation as p dash upon p plus rho equal to minus b dash upon 2. Okay, so here since rho is a density, that is proper density which is constant as given, so this is constant, and if we take the derivative of this with respect to r, then the derivative of p is p dash and the derivative of rho is 0. So this is in the form that f dash of x upon f of x. And what is the integration of that? The integration of that is log of f of x. Okay, so we integrate this, and here the derivative of this is in the numerator. Okay, so we apply this formula here. So this implies log of p plus rho is equals to, what is the derivative of that? Because b dash, if we integrate this, then we have b as it is, so minus b upon 2 plus constant. This is since rho is constant. Okay, now this implies that we can take the exponential on both sides, therefore exponential and the log is get cancelled, so we have p plus rho is equals to e to the power minus b upon 2 plus constant, that is equals to e to the power minus b upon 2 into e to the power constant. So we take e to the power constant is again constant, so e to the power minus b upon 2 into constant. So p plus rho is equals to e to the power minus b upon 2 into constant. We give this as, we continue the equation from the last lecture, so we give this as a equation number 8. Now we adding equation 4 and 5. What the equation 4 and 5 represent? The equation 4 and 5 is the equation of the field equation. So our equation 4 is nothing but this field equation, e to the power minus a b dash upon r plus 1 upon r square minus 1 upon r square equals to 8 pi p, that is given in equation 4. That is the field equation of G11, and this is equation 5 is the field equation of G44. Now we add the equation 4 and 5. So adding equation 4 and 5, we have as e to the power minus a, we can take the common, so e to the power minus a in bracket, we add this b dash upon r plus 1 upon r square plus a dash upon r minus 1 upon r square. So we write this b dash upon r plus 1 upon r square plus a dash upon r minus 1 upon r square plus this term minus 1 upon r square plus 1 upon r square, this term. And on the right hand side we have here 8 pi p and here plus 8 pi rho. Okay, so we add this, so that is in the right hand side 8 pi, in bracket we can write 8 pi can be taken common, and in bracket we write p plus rho, so p plus rho, right? Now this is equals to, here 1 upon r square minus 1 upon r square get cancelled, minus 1 upon r square plus 1 upon r square get cancelled, so we have in bracket b dash upon r plus a dash upon r equals to 8 pi p plus rho. Now the value of p plus rho from this equation is e to the power minus b upon 2 into constant. So we can write this e to the power minus a, r can be taken common from this bracket, so upon r, here it is b dash, so b dash plus a dash equals to 8 pi, and the value of p plus rho is e to the power minus b upon 2 into constant. Okay. Now we can take this e to the power minus b by 2 to this side and 8 pi into constant as we can write this as, therefore we write e to the power minus a upon r b dash plus a dash into e to the power b upon 2. That is, we take this e to the power minus b by 2 to the left hand side, that is equals to 8 pi into constant, and we take this 8 pi into constant which is equals to constant, and that is this constant we denote it as small a c. Okay, so we have here 1 upon r e to the power minus a in bracket b dash plus a dash into e to the power b upon 2 is equals to a. Okay, so we write this as equals to a. Now we solve this equation by substituting e to the power b upon 2 as u. So we substituting e to the power b upon 2 equals to u, then the above equation implies, then the above equation is transformed to. Okay, so we are substituting e to the power b upon 2 equals to u. So for this, to find the value of b dash and a dash, we differentiate this term. So differentiating this, we get e to the power b upon 2 into b dash upon 2 is equals to u dash. Therefore, e to the power b by 2 is denoted as u into b dash upon 2 is equals to u dash. Therefore, b dash is equals to twice, we can take this 2 to this side, to 2 u dash upon u. So we get the value of b dash is equals to 2 u dash upon u. We can substitute here. Also, since as we have find e to the power minus a is equals to 1 minus r square upon capital R square. So we differentiate this to get the value of a dash, and then we substitute the value of b dash and a dash in this equation. Okay, so differentiating e to the power minus a, we get e to the power minus a. The derivative of minus a is minus a dash. The derivative of 1 is 0 minus the derivative of r square upon capital R square is twice r upon r square. Okay, so we have e to the power minus a dash is equals to twice r upon r square. This implies a dash is equals to twice r upon r square. E to the power minus a goes to this side, then it is e to the power a. Okay, therefore we get the value of a dash here, the value of b dash here. Now we substitute the value of a dash, b dash and e to the power b upon 2 equals to u in this equation. Okay, so our equation becomes, therefore 1 upon r e to the power minus a b dash is equals to twice u dash upon u. So write here 2 u dash upon u plus a dash is equals to 2r upon r square e to the power capital A. E to the power b upon 2, we substitute this as equals to u. Therefore we write here u is equals to a. Okay, now we take 1 upon r e to the power minus a to this side and open this bracket by this u. Okay, and therefore we can write this as twice u dash upon u into u plus twice r upon r square e to the power a into u, that is equals to a into r upon e to the power minus a. Okay, we get here this, so this u get cancelled and we divide this equation by 2. Okay, so we get u dash plus r upon r square e to the power capital A is nothing but our 1 minus r square upon capital R square, its inverse, because since the value of e to the power minus a is 1 minus r square upon capital R square, so the value of e to the power a is the reciprocal of that. Okay, so we take here inverse u is equals to a into r upon twice e to the power minus a. E to the power minus a is 1 minus r square upon capital R square. Okay, so we have u dash plus r upon r square and this we write this in the reciprocal, so 1 minus r square upon capital R square into u is equals to a into r upon twice 1 minus r square upon capital R square. Okay, now here this is a linear differential equation in u. Okay, and the solution of linear differential equation can be obtained by multiplying the integrating factor, that is y is equal y dash plus py is equals to q. Now this is a linear differential equation. Okay, now this linear differential equation, now here this is a linear differential equation and its solution is given by, that is we have to firstly find the integrating factor, that is nothing but e to the power integral p dx. This is an integrating factor, and then its solution is given by, the solution of this differential equation can be written in the form y into integrating factor, that is we have to find the e to the power integral p dx into integral of this q here into integrating factor, that is p dx plus c. Okay, since this is a linear differential equation in y dash, so here we have the same form u dash, this is our p, u, this is equals to, this is our q. Okay, u dash is nothing but a derivative with respect to r, so we have dr, so here p is equals to our r upon r square, 1 minus r square upon capital R square, so we have to find the integrating factor, that is equals to e to the power integral of p dr. Okay, so p is our this, and then we have to multiply the solution of this differential equation y into integrating factor equals to integral of this term q, that is our this term, into the integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, so we solve this equation by using this linear differential equation. Therefore we write above equation is linear in u with the integrating factor, that is e to the power integral r upon r square, this is our p value, so r upon r square, 1 minus r square upon capital R square dr, that is equals to e to the power. Now the derivative, this is same as f dash of x upon f of x. Okay, so to require the derivative in the numerator, what is the derivative of r square upon capital R square? That is derivative of this term. Derivative of 1 minus r square upon capital R square equal to minus twice r upon r square. Okay, so we multiply here by minus 2 and divide by minus 2. So we have minus half into integral of minus 2 r upon r square upon 1 minus r square upon capital R square dr. So this is now e to the power minus half log of, so we write this as e to the power minus half log of this term, because f dash of x upon f of x is here, so integral of f dash of x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x, so we have log of 1 minus r square upon capital R square plus the constant term, or in the integrating factor we are not taking the constant term in the integration. Okay, so this is equals to, now we can take this minus half to the power of that, so log of, that is e to the power log of 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half. Now log and exponential get cancelled. Okay, therefore we have 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half. Then its solution is, that is the solution of this differential equation is nothing but u into integrating factor, that is e to the power integral of r upon r square 1 minus r square upon capital R square dr equals to integral of ar upon, that is this term q, so ar upon 2 in bracket 1 minus r square upon capital R square, this is a into r. Okay, that is this is our q into the integrating factor, so e to the power integral of r upon r square 1 minus r square upon capital R square dr into dr plus the constant is here. Okay, plus constant. Now we can write this, that is we solve this. So as our integrating factor is 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half, so we write u into 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half equals to integral of a into r upon 2 1 minus r square upon capital R square into 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half dr plus the constant. So we can write here this constant as equal to b. Okay, so we take this constant as equals to this constant, we take this as equals to b. Where b is a constant of integration. Now here we can solve this integral by substituting 1 minus r square upon capital R square equals to k. Okay, so substitute 1 minus r square upon capital R square equals to k. Now differentiating this, we get minus twice r upon r square into dr equals to d into k. We are taking this k as some variable. Okay, so dr equals to differentiation of k is dk. Now this is equals to r dr, we can take minus 2 upon r square to this side, so it is equals to r square upon 2, that is minus r square upon 2 into dk. Now we can substitute the value, that is the value of r into dr as minus r square upon 2 into dk, and the bracket of 1 minus r square upon capital R square as equal to k. Okay, so this equation implies u into 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half equals to integral of a upon 2 into the value of this 1 minus r square upon capital R square is 1 upon k into the value of this is k to the power minus half into r into dr as minus r square upon 2 into dk. Okay, so we can take a upon 2 and minus r square upon 2 outside the integral, so minus ar square upon 2 into 2 is 4, integral of 1 upon k, this is equals to k to the power minus half minus 1 dk, that is equals to minus ar square upon 4 integral of this is k to the power minus 3 upon 2 dk plus the constant of integration plus b, here plus b is here. Okay, so this is equals to minus ar square upon 4. Now the integral of this is k to the power minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 upon 2 plus 1. After integrating we get this plus b. Okay, so this is equals to minus ar square upon 4 and the value of minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 is to the power minus half. Okay, so k to the power minus half upon minus half plus the constant of integration b. Now we can multiply here, minus can be taken common, so minus minus get plus and 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, so we have here this is equal to ar square upon 2 into k to the power minus half plus b, and the value of k is nothing but 1 minus r square upon capital R square. So we substitute this value here, so we get u into 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half is equal to ar square upon 2 and the value of k is 1 minus r square upon capital R square whole to the power minus half plus b. We can multiply here by 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power minus half to the whole equation. Okay, so multiplying by 1 minus r square upon capital R square, we get u equals to, since here it is plus 1, here it is multiply by 1 upon 2. Okay, So plus half and minus half get cancelled. Okay. So this is u is equals to ar square upon 2. This is also get cancelled. So we have plus b into 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power half. Okay. Now we can write this as, that is u is equals to we substitute the value of e to the power b upon 2 as u. So u is equals to e to the power b upon 2, that is equals to c minus d 1 minus r square upon capital R square to the power half. But here c is equals to, comparing these two equations, so we get c is equals to ar square upon 2 and d is equals to minus b. Okay. Now we substitute this value, as since b is constant and ar square upon 2 is constant, therefore c and d are the constant. Okay. Now since e to the power b upon 2 is equals to this, therefore e to the power b is equals to c minus d, and this can be written as under root of 1 minus r square upon capital R square whole bracket square. Okay. Since e to the power b by 2 is equals to this, therefore we get the value of e to the power b in terms of the constant c and d. Now we substitute the value of e to the power, as also e to the power minus a is given as 1 minus r square upon capital R square. So we substitute both these values in the equation of our line element that is given in equation 2. Okay, so we have ds square is equals to minus e to the power, here e to the power a is here. Okay, so we have to take the reciprocal of that. So we have 1 upon 1 minus r square upon capital R square dr square minus r square d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus e to the power b is nothing but our this value, so c minus d under root of 1 minus r square upon capital R square whole bracket square dt square. Okay, so this is the equation of a Schwarzschild interior solution in terms of constant c and d. Okay, so we write this as, this is the Schwarzschild interior solution containing the constant c and d. Okay, and we can find the constant c and d from the field equations that gives the relation between the pressure and the density in next lecture. Okay, so we give this as equation number 9, and in the next lecture we derive the values of c and d, and then we find the interior solution.